Well, I wanted to share how the earrings came out. I got my other camera because I just cannot get my phone to work. It just will not show the details of the things I'm trying to record. So I guess I'm going to have to get back on my computer, which I've been trying to avoid. I thought this one came out kind of fun. And then these are some deep purple with a frosted kind of opalescent white in the middle. I fixed the bead that was wrong on this pair. I thought that was fun playing with the leaves and the flowers. And then this is like a milky pink with white. I like this one with the, I can't remember what that stone was called, but it's got a lot of veining in it, faceted. It's really pretty. And then we have another deep purple. Let me see if I can get the purple to show through the light. It's just not showing very well. And then a milky pink with a fiber optic bead. This gorgeous swirled bead. And these gorgeous like dragonfly round beads. Milky pink, iridescent. It's iridescent on one side. Oh, maybe, yeah. See, it's iridescent on one side, not on the other. And then a clear. This beautiful fuchsia, both pearl and glass bead with a floral. See if you can see that floral. These are really pretty floral beads. I bought these years ago at a bead show. Another pair of Valentine earrings. I thought those would be fun to wear. And then another pair of Valentine earrings that I thought would be fun to wear. I'm not sure if I'm going to list some of these. If I do, it's not going to be on Etsy. I'll be listing them on Crazy Lamp Lady's district site, Knickknacks. And if I do that, I'll put a link. But I think, I'm not sure if you can shop on there as a guest or even look as a guest. I'll have to find out. But she doesn't charge fees up front. And I'm tired of paying Etsy up front and then things don't sell. And I've spent $20 on fees to list like 100 things and then they never sell, or half of them do, half of them don't. But in the 3 to 4 months, if I spend $20, odds are only a couple of them are going to sell, and I've wasted most of my $20. So I'm kind of tired of that, but I'm really pleased with how these earrings came out. I still have all my pink beads laid out, or not all of them. There's a bag there, and I still have. Let me turn slowly, slowly, slowly so I don't make you dizzy. I've been accused of doing that. I still have those 4 boxes of pink beads as well. They're not stuffed full, but they've got enough in them. And then there's some other, pink beads in some of these other bins, like my pearls down there. And then there's a few other places where there's a few. And then my white and clear and black are all up there. And I might make some black and pink. That sounds kind of fun too. So let's turn, turn, turn slowly. But this is the 18 and then the repaired one I did do. I'm going to pick a few that I want to wear. And then some will be Valentine gifts for my grandkids or kids. And some will get listed. So I will let you know if I list them on Jocelyn's site. If I do, I'll put a link, and I will find out for sure if you can look, even if you don't want to shop, if you can just look if you're not signed into District and to Knickknacks. So we'll see. But I've got a nice selection, pinks and purples. And those are the things I was lacking in my jewelry. Didn't have hardly any pinks, and I have 3 or 4 pink shirts that I love to wear. So this will be a nice addition. And I loved playing with the leaves. I thought that was fun. And this one was a really interesting one. I might keep those. I might sell them. I'm not sure yet. But I've got to research it, see what earrings sell for. I'm assuming about 12 to 15 bucks a pair for the ones I'm going to list. I love this one for me. They're just, this is called Candy Jade. It's a stone. And then this is just plastic, but I love those. That's one of my favorite pairs. So just a lot of fun. And these are a gorgeous bead. These were quite pricey. I bought these individually in many colors, including clear. And they're Chinese crystal. They're just gorgeous. So anyway, I'm going to let you go now. I've been talking almost 5 minutes, but I wanted to share these with you. And I hope you enjoyed seeing what I made. And I probably will do one more round before I put all the beads away. And I'll probably also do some reds. And I've got reds and I've got reds. And again, let's turn. Where are my reds? I got reds here. 3 boxes of red. So we got lots of reds. So I might do some reds as well. But I really want to do some pink and black. I think that would be striking. So I'll probably do another 20 earrings and do a video on that as well. When I get them laid out, I'll show you. And then again, like this, I'll do a video showing more detail. So I will be back soon. Bye.